NBA scoring leaders, 1986. Kiki Vandeweghe showcased polished scoring technique. His smooth mid-range shooting, size advantage, and disciplined shot selection made him one of the NBA's most dependable offensive forwards. Larry Bird combined elite shooting with unmatched basketball intelligence. Whether from deep, mid-range, or inside the paint, his versatile scoring ability kept defenses constantly off balance. Adrian Dantley dominated with strength and precision. Using elite footwork, body control, and relentless attacks inside, he consistently created efficient scoring opportunities. Dominique Wilkins attacked defenses with explosive athletic power. His aggressive drives, highlight dunks, and fearless shot creation made him one of the league's most dangerous offensive forces. Alex English scored with smooth precision. His mid-range jumper, constant off-ball movement, and calm offensive rhythm made him one of the NBA's most reliable scoring threats during the 1986 season. Subscribe for more.